I love what I do, going 80 plus miles an hour, a bunch of vibrations, rattling and going fast. 500ths of a second in a run is a lot. Sometimes you'll win a race by a hundredth or lose a race by a hundredth, or you'll be just out of the medals and it's an actual hundredth of a second, like less than a blink of an eye. My name is Frankie Del Duca, and I am a bobsled driver on Team USA. I went from trying out to being on the World Cup in just a couple months. When I first tried out, the coaches asked if I would have interest in driving, and I said absolutely. And I told them that I did some alpine ski racing and autocrossing, which both of those form of racing, you walk the course first, kind of have a game plan for what your lines will be, and then you go do it. And their eyes like lit up. They're like, well, you gotta drive then. It's so weird because we're going fast, but it feels slow. I know that sounds crazy, but it's very precise. I have to steer the right amount at the right time. There's a lot of data in our sport, and the coaches do a great job of filtering it down to what's most important and where we can gain the most time as quickly as possible. This is your start time, this is your velocity, and we can break down where it's going right or potentially where there's room for improvement. If we tend to be quick in certain parts of the track, but we keep losing time to competitors in another part of the track, they can break it down and say, okay, you're actually losing from here to here in this sector. So let's go look at film and see what you're doing wrong, and let's get faster. The relationship I have with the push athletes as a driver, it's very important. There's a high level of camaraderie within our sport. We do something that's relatively dangerous, and we're going to prepare and perform and have each other's back. That handshake at the start line and looking at your teammates ready to rock and roll and seeing the look of desire to compete and win is one of the best things in our sport. And in the end, we're going to go 80, 90 plus miles an hour, pull 4 or 5 Gs, and that's exciting too.